2015 E-350 box truck. Decent tires all the way around. Brand new battery. We put that in ourselves. It wouldn't hold a charge. Just had to put one in. Runs and drives just fine. Every so often, idles a little weird. Sorry, I'll wait for the motorcycle to go by. Runs and drives just fine. Idles a little weird sometimes, and that's because of the misfire. That's what that engine code is. It's cylinder 1 misfire. As you can see, there's some body damage here. It does affect the door opening and closing. As you can see, it gets hot, but it obviously still lets it open and close. Just rubs. A little bit of tear there. AC and heat works. Still sturdy, no problem there. It is bent up and has some surface rust, but other than that, the box itself is in good shape. The door opens and closes just fine. As you can see, it does have this side door here, probably for the loading and unloading. The outside door handle does not work, at least from when I'm trying to use it. Looks like it works just fine once I look at it, but it does not let you open the vehicle, so you have to go inside and pull this latch right here